Today we will tell you how the commodities market reacted to the results of yesterday's Fed meeting and the data on crude inventories in the US. Stay with us and find out about the latest events. Look at this chart. Here we can see that weekly oil stockpiles have decreased once again. This means that fuel demand has not been met. So amid a rapid recovery of global economies, this may lead to a surge in oil prices. In fact, oil has been following an uptrend for quite a long time. The rise in oil quotes indicates that hopes for the economic recovery after the pandemic are really strong. Thus, Brent crude is still trading in the bullish trend. However, it made a slight pullback by 1.5% from its recent peak level. According to analysts, a new cycle of growth may start if the price settles above $75 per barrel. In the meantime, either another pullback or a correction is possible. Yet, amid a decline in oil stockpiles, the first scenario is more likely. Currently, Brent is trading at $74 a barrel. Meanwhile, the North American crude is following the trajectory of its European counterpart. To continue its uptrend, WTI needs to hold firmly above the level of $73 per barrel. So far, it has failed to do so, but the prospects remain optimistic. It's very likely that in a couple of days, WTI may rise from the current $71.80 a barrel to the area between $72.50 and $73 a barrel. And now let's talk about the Russian ruble. Yesterday, the US dollar surged rapidly against the ruble. The key events of the week, such as the meeting of the US Federal Reserve and negotiations between Joe Biden and Vladimir Putin, have supported the US currency. As a result, the ruble, which has been trading with gains for some time, eased by almost 1% yesterday. The Russian currency posted losses while the greenback advanced after the Federal Open Market Committee announced its plans to change the monetary policy in the future. The regulator has also mentioned a possible rate hike. To confirm its uptrend, the dollar-ruble pair needs to consolidate above the level of 72.80. Otherwise, the price may well pull back to the level of 72 rubles per dollar. Today, the euro-ruble pair is trading at the level of 86.90 with fluctuations of about 0.4%. How will the ruble act against the euro? If the pair holds below 86.90 on the 4-hour time frame, a new round of decline is possible. In a different scenario, the price may bounce from this level. In general, the situation is mostly favorable for oil and the ruble, as both assets are rising across the board. How long will the uptrend persist? We will definitely find out later. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss our daily video reviews. See you back soon.